হ্যালো প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, আশা করি তোমরা ভালো আছো। আজকে আমরা একটা অঙ্ক করব। দেখো যেখানে দেওয়া আছে m² মাইনাস √5m+1 = 0, দেন ফাইন্ড আউট দ্য ভ্যালু m⁵ মাইনাস 1/m⁵ হোয়াট। তাহলে এইখানে আমরা লিখতে পারি যে দেওয়া আছে এখানে একটু খেয়াল করো, তোমরা দেখো আমাদের m² মাইনাস √5m+1 দেওয়া আছে, আর আমাদের বের করতে হবে কিন্তু m⁵ মাইনাস 1/m⁵। তাহলে আমাদের এখানে ফার্স্ট আমাদের খেয়াল রাখতে হবে যে m-1/m বা m+1/m এর মানটা আমরা বের করে নিয়ে আসবো, এনে তারপরে ওই সমীকরণটাকে আমরা একবার বর্গ করব আর একবার ঘন করব। তাহলে ঘন করলেই আমরা এই মানটা পেয়ে যাব। তাহলে আমরা শুরু করছি। দেখো যে হেয়ার গিভেন দ্যাট m² মাইনাস √5m+1 = 0, then we transfer √5m from left side to right side. We can write m² plus 1 = √5m বা m² plus 1 by m, divide the both side by m. We can write m by m, cancelled m and m. We separate the m² by m plus 1 by m is equal to √5. Here we can write m plus 1 by m is equal to √5. Then we find out the value of m-1/m. m-1/m, we can write it is a equation number 1. So we know that a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Using this formula, we find out the value m-1/m. So we can write m-1/m whole square equal to m plus 1 by m whole square minus 4m into 1 by m. Cancelled m and 1 by m. We can write here m minus 1 by m whole square is equal to the value of m plus 1 by m is equal to 5 square minus 4. So we can write m into m minus 1 by m equal to cancelled root and square 5 minus 4. So or m minus 1 by m is equal to 1. So square root the both sides, we get m minus 1 by m is equal to 1. Equation number 2. Now we can write from the equation number 1. Equation number 1, we can write m plus 1 by m is equal to √5. Squaring the both sides, we can write here m plus 1 by m whole square is equal to √5 square. So we can write square plus 1 by m square plus 2m into 1 by m is equal to 5. Okay, square and root cancelled. So we can write m² plus 1 by m cancelled. So here is equal to 2 equal to 5. Next we can write m² plus 1 by m square plus 2 minus 2, subtract 2 the both side of this equation. So we cancel 2 and 2. M square plus 1 by m square is equal to 3. Equation number 3. And now we can write from 2 is equal to m minus 1 by m is equal to 1. Cube the both sides of this equation. M minus 1 by m whole cube is equal to 1 cube, or m cube minus 1 by m cube minus 3m into 1 by m minus 1 by m is equal to 1. We use here a minus b all cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. Here m and m cancelled, and m cube minus 1 by m cube minus 3 into m minus 1 by m is equal to 1. So equal to 1, or m cube minus 1 by m cube minus 3 is equal to 1, or we can write m cube minus 1 by m cube is equal to 1 plus 3. So m cube minus 1 by m cube is equal to 4. Equation number 4. Now multiply equation number 2 by 4, 3 by 4. We can write here m square plus 1 by m square m cube 1 by m cube is equal to 3 into 4. Okay, and multiply m square into m cube minus m square into 1 by m cube plus m cube into 1 by m square minus 1 by m square into 1 by m cube is equal to 12. Okay, next we can write here m to the power 5 minus 1 by m plus m minus 1 by m to the power 5 is equal to 12, since a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to m plus n. Okay, now you can write m to the power 5 minus 1 by m to the power 5 plus m minus 1 by m is equal to 12. Here is value equal to 1, so we can write 5 minus 1 by 5 is equal to plus 1 is equal to 12. So we can write m to the power 5 minus 1 by m to the power 5 is equal to 12 minus 1. So the answer of this m to the power 5 minus 1 by m to the power 5 is equal to 11. Okay, thank you.